On the bench today, the Eton Executive Elite Receiver, trying to find the truth about what kind of connector you need to connect into the 3.5mm socket on the side here for an antenna to work. So what we've got is the radio, a 3.5mm stereo connector with flying leads, 3.5mm mono connector with flying leads, antenna from another radio with a piece of wire, and of course the most important thing, coffee. Here's the radio. What we're going to try and do is plug in. Now the rumour is that if you plug a stereo connector in, it will not work at nulls, and I think it's because the two pins short out on each other. It possibly shorts the tip to the ground, whereas a mono pin won't, but we won't know until we do the experiment. So what to do? So I put the radio on SSB, so we're on 7061 USB, should be LSB but doesn't really matter, LSB, there we go. The key thing is that we have some noise coming out of the speaker and we have a less meter indicator here. What I'm expecting is when we plug something in, the noise will increase along with the signal on the bar graph there. So let's see what's what. So first of all I'm going to try the mono. Using the socket that says ANT. So there's no real change to that. So let's try connect it to a piece of wire here. And indeed, yeah, the signal is up there at S3, S5, just background. So let's take that off now. Let's remove that wire, and the signal drops down. So that is working for sure, and that's a mono connector. So that might be our answer. Now let's try the same thing with a stereo connector. And we're going to connect the wire to the tip. Signal increase, yep. Let's try the sleeve just for curiosity. Okay, just an increase on the tip. So that tells us really, I guess somebody used a stereo connector that wasn't quite the same tolerance and did short out. But in actual fact, all we need for this experiment then is a mono connector and a piece of wire. Let's hunt around and see if we can find a signal. There's some CW there. So no signal. S3, S5 background there, but there was a signal for sure. And that's just with probably about 10 foot of wire in here in the basement. So what do we need? We just need the 3.5mm mono, And I'm going to photograph this particular connector against a ruler so we can be really precise in what was in use in this particular experiment. Thanks for watching.
So this video, if you like it, our video, comment down below a thumbs up.
Thanks for watching VA3SII. Bye.